Alright, D-Law. So if you got a 3rd gen Tundra from the 22s up to now, and you got the cloth seats, and you want something easier to clean, your boy got it. Check this out. Alright, so I got these on Amazon. I forgot how much they cost, but you come with the armrest cover, and then with the seat cover. And it looked pretty good to me. Easy to clean, just wipe down, and it's a done deal. And I'll kind of show you how it's set up. So, alright. So this is basically how each seat cover come. Cover the seat, snap them together, pull them tight. Good finish. I will put a link and I'll put a link in the description. I like it. And while y'all listening at this, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe to your boy. Let's get it up.